let's talk about how Avionics is revolutionizing drone education in universities and colleges. So we partner with universities and technical colleges to transform the way technology is taught. Our approach includes providing advanced education drones and intensive capacity building training to the faculty across all disciplines. This comprehensive strategy ensures that the Center of Excellence thrives, empowering different departments to deliver high quality training to students. We facilitate workshops, certificate courses, and robust research and development initiatives, all aimed at equipping students with the skills they need in this growing drone industry. We are proud to have established Drone Center of Excellence at several prestigious universities in India. So if you are interested to know how we can assist your institution to enhance drone technology education, please feel free to reach out to us. Let's work together and shape the future of education in India.